Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this really nice splitter for your hose that you can use at home. This is really nice for a couple of reasons. One, the durability of this being all metal like this is extremely important. This does use 304 stainless handles, and these are quarter turn handles, very easy to operate. I'm going to go ahead and put this on here and kind of show you. This is a 3/4 inch fitting on these, so this thing actually is going to crank down on here like this. And then when I turn on my water, everything is sealed up. We're wanting to operate it very simply. Just going to turn this. Quarter turn. Super easy to use, super easy to operate with those ball valves that are in there for that quarter turn. Easily can fit normal 3/4 inch hose fittings on there, directly on there. They also do send you with 2 additional rubberized gaskets should you choose to use that. In case you decide you need one, you can never have too many of those. But that works great for working out, getting it run through your hose, easily run your hose, shut it off like that. Very simple, very easy to use, very durable. Thank you guys again for sending this. This should last for years and years.